Hey there everybody, Adam with X-Laser here for our segment 2 billion ways to screw up a circle. So let's see how we can screw up a circle today. As usual, first thing I'm going to do is go to my wave effect. Today I'm going to put let's see how linear triangle looks. Give that some movement. Make it some quick movement. Bump up our amplitude. All right, that's pretty cool. Let me go into Geopre and give this a spin. Yeah, I like that. Come in here in wave 2. And let's do something radial, see if we can get some cool movement out of that. No, that's not really doing it for me right there. Maybe if we add a wavelength to it. Well, that's cool. I like that it's a smooth shape with a bunch of noise basically inserted. Now I'm going to zero this one out actually. On the Avo consoles, if you've got a sub-fixture selected and you want to zero it out, you can actually just hit locate and that'll only locate that one particular sub-fixture. So that's a interesting thing to know. See what happens when we put a movement effect on here. Do a triangular orbit. That's cool. Okay. All right, neat. So let's do a color effect. For this one, let's see what a pointwise gradient looks like. Not quite what we're looking for. There we go. Let me go ahead and do that fade width a little differently there. Yeah, I like that. I'll go back into our effect and I will decrease the size a little bit so that we're not clipping on that outside. And there we go. That is another way to screw up a circle. If you've made your own way to screw up a circle, go ahead and send it in. We'd love to see video. Go ahead and send us what DMX settings you used. That way we can replicate it here. We'll go ahead and send you a nice little care package of some free stuff. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time.